The fifth product on our list is the Home Hero. Are you looking for the perfect butcher block cutting board that will make your chopping work easy? The Home Hero butcher block cutting board is just what you need because it has deep grooves that run around the edge to help collect excess juice from what you're cutting and prevent it from spilling on the kitchen counter. Its reverse side is used as a classic charcuterie board for serving meals and entertaining guests. This butcher block cutting board is easy to carry as it has indented handles by the sides. Unlike so many butcher block cutting boards in the market, the Home Hero is made up of 100% acacia wood. This gives it a sleek appearance and ensures that it lasts for years. It can also serve as a cheese board because it has a handy divot on the side. We like that this butcher block cutting board is packed in a fancy gift box, making it the ideal present for your favorite chef on Christmas or birthdays. Lastly, we appreciate that the Home Hero comes with 2 accessories for its users: a brush for scrubbing it and a stage knife for cutting food such as cheese. Its pros are: it is aesthetically designed, it is good value for money, and it is lightweight. However, its cons are: it is not scratch resistant, and its indented handles may be too rough. The Home Hero butcher block cutting board is built to help people cut food items without making a mess on your kitchen counter.